guys, my name's Chloe.
And I'm Riley.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a lemon drop cocktail.
A lemon drop cocktail can be used as a drink, as a martini, or as a shot. We've had a lot of requests to show you how to do this, and so we're going to show you right now. For starters, we're going to wet the rim of our martini glass with some fresh lemon juice, and then dip it into some sugar for a nice sugar-coated drink. Next, we're going to start by putting 2 ounces of vodka into our shaker. Chloe's going to help me with that. The second ingredient is 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. Third, we're going to put an ounce of fresh lemon juice. This is the key here. And lastly, we're going to put 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. This is just a water-sugar mixture that makes it a little bit sweet. Lastly, we're going to pop the lid onto the shaker and shake it for about 30 seconds. 30. Shake it really good. This shaker was filled with ice to keep our martini or shot nice and cold. Now we can pretend it's been 30 seconds. Chloe, do you want to do the honors of pouring it into our cup? Look at how beautiful that is. And that's it. It's as easy as that. You can make it as a martini and sip on it, or as a shot and put it down the hatch. Chloe, do you want to try it first? Sugary and a delicious drink. Thanks for watching,
And we hope to see you guys next week.
make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and next week come back to watch another video on another delicious drink.
See you guys later.
Bye!